Alcohol inks are so popular. They're a fun and unpredictable medium. And the fun part with using the alcohol inks is adding little accents like metallics or mixatives. Here I've got some rose alloy and rose gold mixative that I'm adding to alcohol ink colors. I'm using blending solution to blend it out, and I'm also blowing it around with an alcohol ink blower tool. I like to put some blending solution down, put my colors down, and then a few drops of each of the solutions. I have the alloy at the top and the mixative at the bottom. You can see that the alloy really floated to the surface. It kind of took over the whole thing, so I'm actually going to be blowing a little bit of that off just to get a little bit more of the color. I personally prefer when you have just kind of a touch of the metallic accents. I don't really love it when they completely take over a piece, but it's one of those things that you can choose what you like and you can customize it to what you like. As I'm working, you'll see I'll add a little bit more of the alcohol ink color, I'll add some more blending solution, and I'll continue to blow it around. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'll just let it dry completely. You'll want to make sure to use alcohol inks in a well-ventilated area. You don't want to use this in an enclosed space. Some people choose to wear a mask for the fumes, but I haven't felt the need to. I tend not to work with them all the time. I take long breaks between them. So just make sure that you have a well-ventilated area. I often will open up the window just so there's some fresh air flowing. So I've let that completely dry. You can see how the alloy has stayed at the top. It's got some nice veining and chunks in it, whereas the mixative has kind of blended in with the colors and kind of made them a little bit dirty in some areas. Either one is a nice look, just depending on what the finished product that you're going for.